Hello everyone, welcome to the another project presentation that is virtual assistant using Python. So this is the third project of code clause internship. So have a look on my code. Let us understand this code line by line. So first, you need to import some libraries that I have imported here. So before importing this library, you must have this library in your device or system. Okay. So for installing this library, you have to just open the command prompt and you have to just type it here pip. Like my first library is like speech recognition module. Okay, so what I will do, I will write pip install and I will write the name of libraries. You can download any libraries, you can install any libraries by this command. You have to just first you have to write pip, then install, and then library name. Okay, so I will just write it here, speech recognition. Okay, and just enter. So it will install speech recognition module in your system. But I have already, actually I have already installed it. That's why you can see here requirement already satisfied. Okay, so if you want to check that you have this library in your system or not, then you can simply do pip so and the library name. So I will write speech recognition. Okay, so you can see here it will show the complete information about the speech recognition module on your system. Okay, so for checking that the particular library in your device is or not, so you can uh, follow this syntax. You have to write first pip, then so, then library name. Okay, so here you can see I have imported like five libraries here. Okay, pyttsx3. It is in text to speech library actually. Okay, so if you want to do this, then you have to follow the same command that I have told you. You have to write pip all and like Python text to speech pytts. Okay, so here you can see again it will what it gives like uh, requirement already satisfied. Because I have installed all the libraries, so it is showing. If you want to check, then I have told you that pip show library name. Okay, so let's come to our code. So here you can see the first libraries that I have imported in this project is speech recognition. Okay, so speech recognition is machine's ability to listen to spoken words and identify them. Whenever you speak something, then it will recognize what you have spoken. Okay, so you can use speech recognition in Python to convert the spoken words into text and make a query or give a reply or anything else. Okay, so let's come to the second library that I have imported is Python text to speech library. So it is a text to speech conversion library in Python. Unlike alternative libraries, it works offline. It means when you give some text to this library, it will start, speaking it. You have seen the feature in like text to speech. Whenever you will give the text, it will speak. Okay, and the third library that I have imported is PyWhatKit library. Okay, so this at the name suggests what it means, WhatsApp. Okay, so this library allows you to send individual WhatsApp messages, send messages to groups and even send messages all from Python. There are also options for playing YouTube videos and browsing the internet. Whenever you will, say कि play this videos, so it will start playing uh, with the help of this library. Okay. Fourth one is import date time that I have discussed in the previous project. that this will fetch your current date and current time through your system, nothing else. Okay. And the fifth one is the import Wikipedia. That I have imported is Wikipedia library. So Wikipedia is the Python library that makes it easy to access and parse data from Wikipedia. Search Wikipedia, get article summaries, get data like links and images from a page and more. Like it will give a complete information about Wikipedia. Whatever in the Wikipedia, you can search it by using this library. Okay. So let's continue. So this particular is, you can see here, initialize the speech recognition and text to speech engine. It will initialize the speech recognition. Okay. Now we will define a speak to response. So here I have defined function to speak the response. Okay. Now going ahead, here you can see like this function, this particular function, to listen the user voice command, means it will when we run this code, then first we will see there listening. It means it will initialize the conversation with a virtual assistant. Okay. So this function will listen to the user voice command. Okay. And if it will not, then it will pass the, except it will pass and return instruction mean, here you can see the, I have defined the instruction as global variable. Okay. So instruction will work as a global variable in the but in entire code. So let's see here. It is the main program. Okay. So I have just defined a function play Jarvis. Okay. Actually, you know what? Here I have forgot to tell you about, like, if whatever the instruction you are giving to the this virtual assistant, you have to just mention this Jarvis. Okay. Then only you can get the answer, or you get a reply from assistant, virtual assistant. Okay. So whatever you are asking with the virtual assistant, you have to just add Jarvis word in it. Okay. Let's go ahead. Here you can see, like first, uh, whatever the instruction you will give, it will print. Like if you are, whatever you are saying, whatever you are asking to this virtual assistant, it will first, it will print. Okay. And if play in instruction, this is the conditional statement I have used. So on these all are the conditional statement. You can add, you can add so many you want. Okay. You can add like if I am giving, here you can see the example. So if I am elif. Okay. Elif, like I'm just asking what is your age. Okay. I will ask these to Jarvis. Okay. Then if in instruction, if you will say this. Okay. So let me, I have forgot to give semicolon. Sorry, colon. Okay. Then like talk. If you will just if there is any, if you are asking for age to the virtual assistant, then it will talk. It will say like I am an artificial intelligence. So my age is not defined, like whatever the message you want to, so there you can put it here. Okay. Now coming ahead, you can see here, if play in instruction, like whatever the instruction you are saying, if there is in a play keyword in your instruction, then it will, what it will do, it will play plus song. It means that what, song string instruction dot replace play. Like when you say like play and YouTube name, like my YouTube channel is MRIRRFAN, then you can if you will say play MRIRRFAN, then it will, what it will do, I have just told you the what the work of PyWordKit for playing YouTube videos and browsing the internet. So it will search your YouTube, like whatever the name you are giving, whatever the song, it will search on the YouTube and start playing it out. Okay, so this, if you are using this play keyword and whatever you are saying, like play MRIRRFAN, play you can see anything, like play anything, then it will start playing. Now in the next statement we have used elif statement here. It means if it is not, then if there is a time in your command, like whatever you are saying, if there is a time keyword in your command, then it will give you the current time, you know. And like here you can see, this is the code for fetching the current date and time from the system. Now current time from the system. Okay, now here you can see what is your age, that I, you know, this is the I have written recently. So coming at, like here you can see, if there is a date keyword in your command, then it will fetch the current date and it will give you the answer in this format. Today's date is like 2/4/23, like this. Okay, now if you ask to this virtual assistant how are you in instruction, like instruction is giving it is taking input basically. Okay, and if you giving any instruction, that if there is a how are you in instruction, then it will start speaking like I am good, what about you. Okay, now if you are asking his name, what is your name, then it will say, yeah, I am Jarvis. I am Jarvis, what can I do for you. And this is the one of the most important, you know, you can say the work of library, that the library that I have imported here, you can see import Wikipedia. Okay, so here the this is the most important. Here you can see, if there is a who is in instruction, it means if you are giving input and there is a keyword in who is, like if you are saying who is Virat Kohli, then it will, what it will do, it will start searching it on Wikipedia. Okay, and then it print info to your output panel and start speaking it. It means what? And if there is a info and I start speaking, it means text to speech. So the use of this library, like this particular library, Python text to speech, is here. If first it will print the information, like if you are searching for who is Virat Kohli, then it will first, it will print the info to your output panel and then start speaking. Okay, and if there is nothing in your like input, then it will, like there is a else condition will execute, and it will say like, sorry, I don't understand, please repeat. Okay, then you have to say again to play it. Okay, now let me run this code. uh, but my internet connection is not so fast, so because there is a libraries which will execute only online, like Wikipedia. If you are searching anything on Wikipedia, then you must have an internet connection. Okay, so and if you are browsing any YouTube like pivot kit, then you also have like um, internet connection, good internet connection, not internet connection. Okay, and text to speech, but it text to speech Python library can work in offline mode also, but these two library needs must have an internet connection, good internet connection. So let me just, I am just trying to run it. First we have to restart the kernel. So it is showing error. Let me stop this kernel and restart it again. You can see there is an error. I don't know why. Test. Okay. So the kernel is started. Okay. So now uh, let's run this code. So just click here and wait for some time. Okay. So it is taking so much time to execute. So let's run this code in. Let's run this code in a Visual Studio Code. Okay. For fast execution, so I'll just copy it and I will paste it in it, like yes, code. Okay, so let's run here. Okay, then I will get the output.
Sorry for inconvenience, as I have told you that my internet connection is not good enough to execute this program. I will add the demo output part later. Thank you.